Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom glitch effect on Filmora X like this. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Basically, glitch effect is RGB effect. So if these three colors, red, green and blue are together, we call it glitch or RGB effect. Okay, go sample colors and add red color. And adjust with video. Double click on this and go compositing. Change compositing to overlay and change opacity to 80% and click OK. Okay, let's export this. Delete red color and add green color. Adjust like previous. Double click on this and change compositing to overlay and change opacity to 80%. Also export this. Again delete green color and add blue color. Adjust with video. Change compositing to overlay and change opacity to 80%. Also export this. Delete blue color and import those video which is exported before. Now add red video, then green video and then blue video into timeline. Double click on red video and go compositing. Again change compositing to overlay and click OK. Apply same process in green and blue video. As you can see, our glitch effect is almost done. Let's do our final thing. Add any glitch sound effect as you like. Split all video according to sound effect. Select extra middle part and delete this. Okay, now important part. Select blue video and go transform. Set scale around 110%. Change position X to -20. Now select green video and set scale to 110%. Change position X to 20. Select red video and set scale 115%. Change position Y to -6. Select blue video and right click on this and select copy effect and paste on other two blue video. Select green video and copy effect and paste on other two green video. And finally select red video and copy this effect and paste on other two red video. Render frame for a smooth playback. Let's check preview. As you can see, our effect is done. So let's export our final project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.